What if the paint wasn't tested for aging before shipment and it started to fade just a few months after the customer received it? Today, we are testing the weathering resistance of this coating based on the ISO 4892-3 standard. First, we apply the coating to the test panels and load them into the rack. This chamber can hold up to 9 panels at a time, allowing us to compare different formulas and batches simultaneously. Next, we set the parameters: 0.51 watts per square meter, a radiance at 340 nanometers, a black panel temperature of 65 degrees Celsius for 2 days. Let's hit the start.
Thousands of years later.
Time's up. Let's check the results. On the left is before the test, and on the right is after. It is noticeably faded, and the gloss has turned dull. This proves the coating failed to meet the ISO 4892-3 standard. If this batch had been shipped straight to the customer, we would be looking at claims, costly rework, and a ruined reputation in just a few months. This is exactly why you can never skip weathering tests before shipment. Contact Sonacme Technology for weather-resistant solutions.